The American Eskimo Dog, often affectionately known as the Eskie, is a small to medium-sized breed that exudes charm and intelligence. Originating from the Spitz family of Nordic breeds, the American Eskimo Dog is characterized by its fluffy, white double coat, erect triangular ears, and expressive eyes that can be either blue or brown. There are 3 size varieties: toy, miniature, and standard, ranging from 6 to 35 pounds. Eskies are known for the keen intelligence and agility, which makes them excellent candidates for obedience training and dog sports such as agility and rally. They are also known for their sociable and friendly nature, often forming strong bonds with their families and being good with children. However, they can be somewhat reserved with strangers, making them effective watchdogs. The dense coat requires regular grooming to prevent matting and keep them looking their best. Despite their luxurious coat, they are relatively low maintenance when it comes to shedding, as regular brushing helps manage their fur. Eskies are active and playful, needing regular exercise to stay healthy and happy. They thrive in environments where they can engage in physical activities and mental stimulation. Overall, the American Eskimo Dog is a delightful and versatile companion, well suited for families and individuals who can provide the care, training, and exercise this intelligent and affectionate breed needs.